Do you know what scared Jeff in Scottsdale more than turning 65 last year? It wasn't aging. It was waking up and reading this headline. US inflation surges again. Wealthy retirees hit hard by market volatility. He had just retired from a 38-year career in aerospace engineering. His 401k, just over $1.2 million. His plan? Simple. Enjoy retirement, protect his wealth, and pass it on. But when inflation spiked and his safe investments started wobbling, he realized he was standing on sand, not stone. And he's not alone. According to the latest data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, inflation in key sectors like healthcare, housing, and food has remained stubbornly high, even as interest rates stay elevated. And despite what they say on TV, the dollar has lost 20% of its purchasing power in just the last 4 years. So if you're a high net worth retiree with over $100,000 in a traditional IRA or 401k, ask yourself, are you truly protected? Now, let's go back to Jeff's story. Because this is where things turned around. He talked to his advisor, did some digging, and found out that many of America's wealthiest retirees are doing something quietly brilliant, rolling over a portion of their retirement into a gold IRA. Not a risky bet, not a full portfolio move, just a strategic shift, about $360,000 in Jeff's case, into physical gold held in a tax-advantaged account. It was all set up through a simple, no-pressure educational call, the same kind you can take at the end of this video. And here's what's wild. That move, it gave Jeff exactly what he was missing. Peace of mind. Because unlike stocks or mutual funds, gold doesn't go bankrupt. It doesn't rely on CEOs, election outcomes, or Wall Street earnings calls. Gold has been the store of value for over 5,000 years, and in every inflationary period in history, it has stood tall while paper assets shrank. But listen, this isn't about fear. This is about control. You worked hard to build your retirement. You were smart. You sacrificed. You played by the rules. But the system? It's shifting fast. Retirees today are facing the most uncertain economic climate in decades. And the ones who win will be the ones who adapt. That's why this isn't about selling you gold. It's about educating you on what a gold IRA actually is and whether it makes sense for your situation. So here's your next step. And Jeff took it too. Tap the link below to get your free Gold IRA Guide Plus one-on-one no obligation call with a real specialist. No sales tactics, no free silver gimmicks. Just honest, expert advice to help you explore your options and protect what you've worked a lifetime to build. Even if you don't move forward, you'll walk away smarter, more prepared, and with a clear plan for how to safeguard your retirement from inflation and uncertainty. Because your legacy deserves better than hope. It deserves a fortress. Get the free guide. Take the call. And like Jeff, you might just sleep better tonight.